1 cement bag contain how much? 50 kg of cement. 1 ton cement, that means 1000 kg of cement. So bags required 1000 by 50, that is 20 bags. So our answer will be how much? Our answer will be. Hi friends, welcome back to Learn and Explore. Today in this session I will going to discuss with you all the most important civil engineering 100 questions for any kind of competitive civil engineering exam, that is SSC, RRB, JEE, PWD, CPWD and others. And this video will contain 50 questions and the rest 50 questions will be uploaded in part 2. And if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe our channel, and if you think that this video will help you, please do like and share, and please comment us. So now I am going to start my video. Okay, here we go. So our first question is, air permeability method is used in which of the following test of cement? So here the options are compressive strength test, that is the compressive strength after 7 days or 28 days, okay, that's report. Then fineness test or fitness test of cement. Fineness test or fitness test of cement is measured as specific surface of cement, right? And the principle of air permeability method is observing the time taken for a fixed quantity of air to flow through compacted cement bed of specified dimension and porosity. So fineness or fitness test of cement is also measured by sieve analysis method. There are two methods for measuring the fineness or fitness test of cement, and rest is soundness test and slump test. Okay, and soundness test is measured by La-Chatelier method. It is also a very important question regarding our examinations. Okay, so the first answer of the first question is fineness test. Okay, so now I am going for the next one. The next question is, the main purpose of the soundness test of the cement is determine the dash. So what is the purpose of the soundness test of cement, right? So the purpose beyond a certain limit, the soundness test defines the unsound material contained in cement, that is lime or any other materials in cement. So our answer will be change in volume of cement after setting. Okay, so the main purpose of soundness test is to change in volume of cement after setting, right? So our answer will be A. Next question, which of the following method is used to make the timber fire resistance? So fire resistance which contain make timber more fire resistant among this, that is coating with tar paint, that means timber is coated by tar paint, pumping corrosive oil into timber at high pressure. This is some kind of look like this. Okay, this is corrosive oil after adding on timber, okay, applying on timber. So next one is seasoning process. As you all know what is the seasoning process. In this process timber will be seasoned by some times, okay, and next is soaking it into ammonium sulfate. Okay, so what is the more effective? That is soaking it in ammonium sulfate. Okay, some chemical, the timber surface can be coated with coal tar, make it fire resistance, but chemical treatment is more effective. Okay, so our answer will be D. Next question, in which of the following process pug mill is used? So here you can see the picture of pug mill. Okay, it is look like this. So this pug mill is basically used for preparation of clay for making of bricks. So our answer will be D, right? Next question, according to the IS specifications, initial setting time of the ordinary Portland cement should not be less than, so should not be less than what? 30 minutes. This most important question, and it is repeat many times. Okay, so next question. Our next question is, which of the following is the main reason to provide frog in the bricks? So what is frog actually? Frog is a depression made on the face of the bricks during modeling. It look like this. Okay, and this is mainly used from key joint between brick and mortar to that means the mortar accumulate in the frog forms a very good key, subsequent course brick above it. Okay, that means it can adhere the brick with the mortar. Okay, so our answer will be from key joint between brick and mortar. Next, which of the following is used as vehicle in enamel paints? So enamel paints में vehicle कौन सा यूज किया जाता है? ठीक है, so that is varnish, right? That is varnish. Actually, enamel paint is a paint dries to especially hard, usually glossy or finish. Enamel paint vehicle use varnish. Oil paint vehicle use linseed oil, right? This also important. Oil paint use linseed oil and enamel paint use varnish. Okay. So our next question will be, if one cement bag has 0.035 meter cube volume of cement, the number of bags required for 1 ton of cement is. So how much? Here I make a solution for this. Okay, one cement bag contain how much? 50 kg of cement. 1 ton cement, that means 1000 kg of cement. So bags required 1000 by 50, that is 20 bags. So our answer will be how much? Our answer will be D, that means 20 bags of cement. So our next question. Okay, our next question will be, the stretcher bond in bricks masonry can be which of the following is fused together to prepare high alumina cement? So high alumina cement में कौन सा चीज़ है जो रहता है? वो है बॉक्साइट एंड लाइमस्टोन, right? It is a important question also. Next, accuracy in the measurement of volume in cubic meter should be near to how much? Should be near to 0.01 approximately. The accuracy in the measurement of volume in cubic meter should be near to 0.01 approximately. Okay. Next question, deduction for total length of the central line at the corner where two walls meet is dash. So what is that? No deduction is required. Why? Because there is no deduction for total length of the center line at the corner where two walls meet, or you can say there is no deduction for L junction. Okay, and half breadth of wall measured should be deduct for a T junction, right? So no deduction will be required here. Next question, which of the following is estimated by using a bar bending schedule? So what bar bending schedule? Estimate by steel work, right? स्टील वर्क को बार बेंडिंग शेड्यूल से एस्टिमेट किया जाता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज मेजर्ड इन स्क्वायर मीटर? सो दैट इज कर्निश, concrete work, shuttering, steel reinforcement, bar. So what is shuttering or foam work can be measured by square meter, right? Here you can see the picture of shuttering. So our answer will be shuttering. Okay. Next question, chocard or frame of the door is measured in. So here you can see a door frame, okay, and chocard will be measured by what? Measured by cubic meter. It is also important question. Chocard or frame can be measured in cubic meter or meter cube, right? Next question, calculate the preliminary estimate for a building having a total carpet area of 500 square meters. Extra provision as 10% of the carpet area is provided for walls and veranda. The plinth area rate is 1200 per square meter. Okay. So how much? will be, here I made a solution for this, that is total carpet area for building is 500 square meter. Area of wall and veranda is 500 into 10 by 100, that is 50 square meter, as 10% is our carpet area. Extra provision as 10% for the carpet area. Okay, and next is, so total area will be 500 plus this area 50, that is 550 square meter. Preliminary estimation for total area, for 1 meter 1 square meter, that is 1200, and for 550, that is 550 into 1200, that is 6640. Right, so our answer will be D. Okay, 6640. Next question. Calculate the capitalized value of a building having annual rent of 20,000 and highest rate of interest is 5%. That is, rate of interest is 5% and annual rent is 20,000. So what will be the capitalized value? Here I also made a solution for this. Okay, so capitalized value of a building, that is capitalized value is equal to annual income into years purchase. Right, so year purchase how can be calculated? 100 by rate of interest, that is 100 by rate of interest our will be, that is 5. So 100 by 5 is equal to 20. So capitalized value is equal to 20,000 into 20, that is 4 lakhs. Okay, so our answer will be D. Got it? Next question. Plumb line at two different places in plane surveying are what? What is plumb line? Okay, so plumb line of two different places, that means plumb bob line is the direction of the lines of force of Earth's gravity in field. Right, so in plane surveying it is defined by the direction of a freely suspended plumb bob. Okay, at two different places the plumb bob lines are cut at the center of the earth. So our answer will be A. Right, and next question will be, a curve whose radius varies from infinity to a certain value is called what? Is called transition curve. Okay, it starts from this after a circular curve is joined with this and another transition curve is here. So our curve is look like this. So a curve whose radius varies from infinity to a certain value is called transition curve. Next question. What is the representative fraction for a scale of 100 semi is equal to 20 km? Right, so in what is 1 semi is equal to 2 km, 1 semi is equal to 20,000 meter, 1:2, 1:20, 2 lakhs. So here I made a solution for this. Representative fraction are unitless relation, right, between one unit on the map and however many units of the same type on the ground. Representative fraction, that is 100 semi by 2 km. RF will be 100 by 20 into 1000 into 100. Sorry, 10 by 20 into 1000 into 100. So 10 by 260, that is equal to 1 by 2 lakhs. Right, so our answer will be D, 1:2 lakhs. Next question. The line which is used to collect the details of the objects in an area is called. So line which collects the details of an area is called what? That is tie line. Here another also have, that is baseline. It is the framework, you can say the framework of the survey line, that is the longest line, that is okay, of the surveyed area, and a tie line is joined to fixed point on the main survey lines. It helps to check the accuracy of the survey and to locate the interior details. Okay, and the position of each tie line should be close to some features such as paths, buildings. Here you can see, okay, tie lines are close to the features, and baseline is the longest line, okay, on which the framework of the survey rests, and check line checks the accuracy, and main line is the main survey lines. Okay, so our answer will be D. Next question. Calculate true bearing of a line if magnetic bearing of the line is that is south 60 degree east and the magnetic declination is 5 degree eastward. So here I have the solution. True bearing is equal to magnetic bearing. It is a formula, that is true bearing is equal to magnetic bearing plus magnetic declination, or in other sense magnetic bearing, that is MB, you can say MB is equal to TB plus minus declination is measured by theta. So TB plus minus theta, or MB plus is equal to TB plus minus theta, or TB is equal to MB plus minus theta. So here the magnetic declination is in eastward, so here we take in positive, and because of declination right side of the true meridian, so true bearing is equal to south 65 degree plus 50 degree. Okay, so true bearing will be south so 65 degree plus 5 degree east. Okay, degree sign is mistaken, so here degree will be here. Okay, so 5 degree. So true bearing is equal to 65 degree plus 5 degree, that is here I mistake another. So 60 degree, that means 60 degree plus 60 degree plus 5 degree, that is equal to 65 degree. Okay, so our answer will be D. Next question. Calculate the total correction required if a line measured using 20 meter is 2380 meter. Actual length of the chain is 20.2 meter. So here the error in chain, and we have to find out the actual length of the chain. Okay, so here I have also made a solution for this. So our correction formula is CA is equal to L dash by L into D, where L is the error length, that means is actual length of the chain, and L is the measuring length of the chain, and D is the measured distance. So error length is 20.2 by 20 into 2380, that is equal to 2403.8. So total correction required is 2403.8 minus 2380. So our answer will be 23.8 meter. So our answer will be C here. Okay, next question. As I have small time for this video, so I made it first, and if you have any question arise in your mind, please feel free to ask. We will definitely try to help you. Okay, and next question. The least count of a theodolite is, so what is the least count of a theodolite? The least count is the smallest value that can be measured by a theodolite. Okay, and here the theodolite can make from these options 22nd is the least. Okay, and it is measured by divided by main scale and vernier scale. Okay, and next question is, first class timber has average life how much? More than 10 years. So our answer will be D. Next question. Soundness of cement is tested by, as I told before, tested by large atelier apparatus. Here it is the picture of it. Next question. The coefficient of curvature for well graded soil is lies between. Okay, so coefficient of graded soil is lies between 1 to 3. Next question. The coefficient of uniformity for well graded sand must be greater than. Okay, uniform soil must be greater than, the coefficient of uniformity for well graded soil should be Cu greater than 4 for gravels. Okay, gravels, and it is Cu greater than 6 for sand. Okay, if you have to remember both. So our but here we need coefficient initial will get it sand, so our answer will be 6. For gravel it is 4 and for sand it is 6. Okay, 28. On increasing temperature, the viscosity of gas what? On increasing temperature, that is the viscosity of gas is directly proportional to temperature, right? So when temperature increase, the molecules of gas spread out and molecule is free to move and viscosity of gas increase. So our answer will be C. The increasing temperature, viscosity of gas increase. Next question. Surface tension for an ideal fluid is. So surface tension for an ideal fluid is 0. Okay, 0 viscosity it has. So our answer will be D. Surface tension is 0 when there is no intermolecular force between them. Okay. So next question. Which of the following is not true about density of the gases? So which is not true? Proportional to pressure? No. Inversely proportional to temperature? No. Inversely proportional to volume? No. So do not depend on temperature and pressure. So it is right. It do not depends on density of gases, do not depends on the temperature and pressure. So it is right. Next question. The stable equilibrium is achieved in the floating body when there are some condition for stability of floating body. Okay, here you can see stable equilibrium, that means if the point M is above G. What is M and what is G? M is matter center and G is gravity, right? So when it should be, it can be say stable when you can see here M is above G, M is above G, it can be say stable. When is M is below G, it can be unstable, and normal equilibrium if the point M is at the G, that means M and G are in same position, right? So here our question is the stable equilibrium is achieved in the floating body when matter center is above the center of gravity. So our answer will be B. Next question. The intermediate side distance is equal to. So what is intermediate side distance, right? Intermediate stopping side distance, stopping side distance is defined as the distance equivalent to twice the stopping side distance. It is distance where overtaking should be attempted with reasonable safety. So intermediate side distance is twice the stopping side distance. So our answer will be C. Intermediate side distance is equal to twice of the stopping side distance. Next question. Which of the following is responsible for corrosion of concrete sweats? Okay, so what is that? That is septic conditions. Our answer will be D. Next question. Which of the following is responsible for depletion of ozone layer in upper atmosphere? It is very easy. That is chlorofluorocarbon. We all know about it. Next question. Live loads with time can vary in. So what is live loads? Live loads are different for different buildings and structure, right? It keeps changing from time to time. Even on some structure it varies in position as well as in magnitude both. Okay, so what is the example? That is movable partitions, dust loads, furniture, weight, etc. Okay, so live loads with time can vary in position as well as magnitude both. So our answer will be D. Next question. Impact load result from which type of effects of load applied it? Impact load results which type of load? That is dynamic load, right? So answer will be B. Next question. Which type of drainage system will collect rainwater? So rainwater collect by primary drainage system. Okay. Next question. Moment at a hinge will be, it is also very easy. Add hinge support, there is no moment, so moment will be 0. Our answer will be B. Next question. As water cement ratio increase, dash also increase. So what is that? Workability, right? Workability is the amount of energy to overcome friction while compacting, also defined as relative ease with which concrete can be mixed, transported, molded and compacted. If water cement ratio increase, the workability of concrete also increase. So our answer will be D, workability. Next question. Compacting of concrete is done to. Why compacting is done? Remove of air bubbles. Okay, so compacting is done to complete remove of air bubbles. So our answer will be B. Next question. M15 concrete grade is used for what? M15 grade is used for foundation. Okay, generally M10 and M15 grades of concrete are used for leveling course and bedding course for footings of foundation, and standard concrete and concrete of grade M20 is applicable for RCC. So RCC, that is M20, okay, is applicable and works for slabs, beams, columns, so on. The high strength concrete has applicable for high rise building. Okay, next question. Before plastering, surface has to be what? Before plastering, surface has to be rough, right? So our answer will be A. Next question. Wood surface require dash coat of plastering. So wood surface require only one coat of plastering. Okay, so our answer will be C. Next question. Dash is used to construct very thin, hard and strong surface. So what? That is some important uses of ferrous cement. One of the very important uses this also. So our answer will be ferrous cement, that is C. Okay, ferrous cement used to conduct very thin, hard and strong surfaces. Okay, next question. How many methods of ferro cementing are there? There are three kinds of ferro cementing, right? And these are armature system, okay, closed mold system and integrated mold system. Armature system, closed mold system and integrated mold system. So there are three kind of ferro cementing. Okay, next question. If a material has identical properties in all direction, it is said to be what? Identical properties in all direction is said to be as isotropic. Okay, and other is homogeneous and elastic. This is also very important. Homogeneous means a material whose elastic properties are at the same at all points in the whole material body. And what is elastic? That is physically it indicates a material's resistance to being deformed when stress is applicable to it. Okay, next question. One next question will be, which of the following is examined determined to the age of timber? So annular ring, sapwood, peat or timber. So her answer will be A. Annular ring can be determined the age. As tree age, they grow in height and width, right? So observing a cross section of a tree, you will see the growth rings here, growth rings or annual rings. By counting these rings, you can tell the age of this timber. So our answer will be A. Next question. Distempers are generally used to coat. Distemper, what? Distemper is an early form of whitewash, right? As a decorative paint, it is easily marked and cannot get wet. It has been used since antiquity for painting walls and other types of house decoration and interior surface which are not exposed to the environment. So distempers are very, you can say, you have to protect it from the outer weather, right? So our answer will be interior surface which are not exposed to the environment. Okay, so our answer will be C. Next question. Which of the following is commonly used as retarder in cement? Okay, so what is in cement? Our answer will be gypsum. Why? In cement, gypsum used as a retarder because it slows down the heat of hydration of the cement. Sugar is also used as a retarder in cement. You can use it. Okay. So next question. Scrap value of a property may be. So what is scrap value? Scrap value is defined as the expected or estimated value of the asset at the end of its useful life. Okay. So scrap value is also referred to as an asset or residual value, you can say, and scrap value may be positive or negative both. So scrap value of a property may be both negative or positive. So our answer will be A, right? So these are all 50 questions for this video, and we will upload its second part, and if you want we upload this, please let us know by commenting us. And thanks for watching.